fellow members, fellow South Africans, and I'd like to take this special opportunity as well to salute amongst ourselves Advocate Teffo, present here. In fact, it will be unfair if I stand here, because I'm standing in the shoes of Advocate Teffo. I stepped into his shoes when he left the case. So it is prudent and proper that he stands amongst the people that are here now. I also like to pass my apologies. I stand here on behalf of the following advocates. Advocate Mshololo. Advocate Munisi. Advocate Ngumalo. Advocate Munyeki, our candidates, Ms. Naledi Litlaka. I stand on behalf of our presiding judge in our matter. He passes his condolences to the family. Baholo ake khalemeng. Gastwana hatele solo kholo ditshego. Ko khoto we are called adversaries. In life, we are human beings. So I'm not happy the judge being good. He passes his condolences to the family as a human being. I also pass my condolences from the team of prosecutors, Advocate Baloyi, Advocate Sibanda. I also pass my condolences from the chief of interpreters who's here, the court staff, everybody that Mr. Mngomezulu has interacted with at court. Mngomezulu can bear testament. He was well liked in court. He was well liked in the public. So we celebrate him sonke without sekete abanye abantu. I'm not Zulu speaking, but I'll speak the truth. I stand here for the truth. Now, we stand here today. We are coming here to celebrate and to say farewell to a departed soldier, warrior, a justice of the peace, a fighter for the downtrodden, and a good lawyer. I've known Advocate Mngomezulu since 2010 or around that period, when we used to meet in the magistrates' courts around Jamestown, Johannesburg, Randburg, Rodiport. And we had a rapport together, and when necessity came that I'm tired, I need somebody to come and assist so that we can push the Senzo Mewa case together. The first name that came up was him. And when I went to him, I remember it was a Saturday morning, I said, Botwan, yo, Nkatel, I'm doing 1 and 2, accused number 1 and 2. Can you come and assist? What is secret lately? I'm following this case. In fact, the case is not going to be postponed. Come Monday, I'm running with the case. That's how Advocate Mngomezulu, Mr. Mngomezulu, came into this case. And we have been working with Advocate Mngomezulu until his untimely sickness and departure. And we are here to celebrate his life. In social media, they used to call him Mgo. Odagada. Mena personally, the name of Tulani, I've known him all along. I've never known him to be Tulani. I call him Mngomezulu. So we worked with Mngomezulu. Social media bati Mgo is the darling of a social media because bekadlakadla le case. Right? And that following ayakhe in social media, it shows the great work that he's doing in the case that you are fighting. So let his departure not detract from the lawyers that are in this case or somebody that is coming to assist accused number one. He has fought his good fight. He has carried his torch with pride. And we are here to celebrate that. He's made his mark in this case. Right? So whoever that's coming in to take in on behalf of accused number one, I'm going to ask that we give him the same respect and admiration that we accorded Advocate uMngomezulu. Now to abosisi bakhe, or the brothers, the late ones, ifamily yakhe umama, kere robalanka pelanga lingeba, arbaleka ka khotso uMngomezulu, re mo release. Di politiki tsa family, di anger, di grudge, di fedile. Le rona ba ne re bereka le yena, no gona le mo re gatana mo di concern. But at the end of the day, we worked forward for a common goal. And we work together ka respect, ka integrity ya mokhoto, ne le sole uMngomezulu people. uMngomezulu ne le sole, ne le motlhabane. He was a fighter. He was a warrior. And that's the memory en na Ramosepele ke tleng mo gore. That's the thing e kwa tlo mo gopolang ka yona. A kwa tlo mo gopola in sickness. I want to remember him by his strength, by his brutality. The other thing that you didn't know, uMngomezulu, like one of the sisters telling, Nanale's sense of humor, and even a very dark sense of humor. All of us got caught on our nickname, and then they change according to on a particular day. For now, because I get the ballistics, I got the striations, Monday half it are striations. So for that period, negel striations. Here to America, I'm on the cell phone. My Lord, matter that, matter that, right? And then, but I want that the Munyeki, Nabafile, Ubusobengani, Honalebo Black Mamba, La Meat. So that I'm going to Nelimuto Oyan. But when it came to cross-examination, Liponets, I repeat. He bit like a hyena and stuck. Liponets so Hakoibu. Yanum before Kitwafa, Baholo Bahai to Putejo. Kiwatolisiaka, a little poem, ya Maya Angelou. I get to get like a phone. Now, Labanake old school, Kiwala Maki, I get social media. And I also Halimilem Fahore, Honalawatamba social media. Baling Hore, Ronaraha, Bonabatubakaka. Let us not be torn by Tomudim, Kakahiso Yamudim, social media. So, irregular poemele Kilisakayona. I get la wada khona no ke na le condition matsoga ka shake yona social media ha ke le go khoto a shake yana gata Ramosepele o nwa nnipe o tlhapetswe Ramosepele ntse o bua sebaka kopa break ba ra o bata break o ya toilet o tsa smetana. So the poem is When I Think of Death by Maya Angelou. When I think of death, and of late the idea has come with alarming frequency, I seem at peace with the idea that a day will dawn when I will no longer be among the living in this valley of strange humors. I accept the idea of my own demise, but I'm unable to accept the death of anyone else. I find it impossible to let a friend or a relative go into the fear of the unknown country, the country of no return. This belief becomes my dose companion, and anger follows in its wake. And I answer the heroic question, death, where is thy sting? With, it is here in my heart, in my memory, and in my mind. My heart, my mind, my memory. That's where uMngomezulu forever will be etched in my life. Ke a leboga bagolo.